Hello everyone. We are from Shivansh Electronics, founded by Mr. Gopal Dasde from Raja Electric, and our company is based in Kolkata. So today we are going to test the quality of SONODYNE PM-50V2 Studio Monitors and AKG C5 and AKG D7 microphone. I have recorded this entire speech from the AKG D7 microphone, and I have recorded the studio monitors from the AKG C5 microphone. We have connected our laptop via a 3.5mm stereo EP jack to dual 6.5mm mono jack, which goes into our MOTU M2, which is an audio interface, and then we have sent the stereo output from the MOTU M2 to the Soundcraft Signature 10 mixer. You will also notice that the high, mid and low frequency knobs have been kept at the middle in the Soundcraft Signature 10 mixer. No external equalization has been done, and then the master out has gone to the left and right studio monitors from the mixer. We have used another MOTU M2 audio interface for recording the studio monitors, and as you can see, we have used AKG C5 microphones. You will get to hear slow hums and hiss, which are actually the sound of the electrical signals, the cooling fans of my laptop, and sometimes the electromagnetic frequencies, which gets picked up because in most cases I always leave my recordings unedited because I hate using any effects or compression of any sort to edit the audio of my video, because I am here to demonstrate the quality of my microphones and speakers. So I want my viewers to experience the actual quality of the microphones and speakers in action. Now let's hear the music first.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, to a new Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, to a new tomorrow.
The MOTU M2 has been used for the playback of the audio and for recording the quality of the speakers by the two AKG C5 microphones. We have used this M2 because it helps in the conversion of the unbalanced consumer level signals of -10 decibel volt to professional line level signal of +4 decibel unloaded. Now let's discuss about the DAC converters in details. MOTU uses ESS Sabre32 Ultra DAC technology in all its sound cards. Previously in the older models of MC series, MOTU used to use ES9016S chip, but now MOTU is using mostly ES9026 Pro chip in all its sound cards. And please note that the source of this claim is not from MOTU, but from several gear and tech review channels and Reddit posts, forums and websites where people have opened the sound cards and saw the model of the chip and posted it, because companies never post publicly about the model of the chips they are using. But yes, MOTO did say it out loud and publicly that they use ESS Sabre32 Ultra DACs in their sound cards. So here is a small table listing down the key features of ES9026 Pro chips along with the ES9016S chips. You can pause the video and read them. The bit depth in both the models ES9016S and ES9026 Pro is 32-bit. Both are having the max sample rate of 384 kHz. The stereo dynamic range of ES9016S is from 124 to 132 decibels, and that of ES9026 Pro is 124 to 129 decibels, and the total harmonic distortion plus noise in both the models of the chips are minus 110 decibels. All currently available SKUs of MOTU audio interfaces are MOTU M2, which is a 2-in-2 out audio interface, MOTU M4, which is a 4-in-4 out audio interface, MOTU M6, which is a 6-in-4 out audio interface, MOTU Ultralight MK5, which is a 18-in-22 out audio interface, MOTU 828, which is a 28-in-32 out audio interface, and MOTU 16A, which is a newly launched audio interface. It is a 32-in-34 out audio interface. Now let's talk about the analog to digital converters used in the MOTU audio interfaces. So in most cases, MOTU uses AKM chips for the ADC converters and even the ESS Sabre chips as well. I am listing down the table as well. You can pause it and read it for your reference. In the MOTU M2, the chip which is used is AK555V2. In MOTU M4 and M6, the chips used are AK555V. Both the AK555V and AK555V has got a bit depth of 32-bit, max sample rate of 768 kHz, dynamic range of around 115 decibel, total harmonic distortion plus noise of minus 106 decibel, and the power supply of 3.3 volts. The difference is the number of channels. AK555V has got 2 channels and AK555V has got 4 channels. The high-end sound cards like MOTU Ultralight MK5, MOTU 828 and the newest model of MOTU 16A most likely uses the ES9842 Pro chip. The bit depth of ES9842 Pro is of 32-bit. The max sample rate is of around 384 to 768 kHz. The dynamic range is of around 112 decibel and the total harmonic distortion plus noise is of around minus 112 decibels. Please do note that these names of the chips haven't been sourced from the official website of MOTU. Neither has it been sourced from any official sources, because MOTU as a brand never publicly claims which model of the chips they are using. These informations have been sourced from teardown videos, gear and tech review channels, websites, forums and Reddit posts. The SONODYNE PM-50V2 comes with a 26mm silk dome tweeter and a 5-inch polypropylene woofer. The monitor does not artificially boost or color the sound, ensuring accuracy in your audio projects. You are going to get 45 watt for the tweeter and 45 watt for the woofer. The Class D bi-amplified design delivers a total of 90 watt high power output. The price of SONODYNE PM-50V2 is Rs 30,000 per pair, and this price is inclusive of GST. It offers robust performance with minimal distortion, even at high sound levels, making it suitable for both near-field and mid-field monitoring. To ensure solid build quality, you will get a medium density fiber port enclosure. For the customizable acoustic settings, dip switches are present on the rear panel that allow adjustments for bass roll-off, bass tilt and treble tilt to adapt the sound output to different room acoustics. The rear-firing aerodynamic port is designed to minimize resonance and improve durability. The speaker reproduces all frequencies from 65 Hz to 20 kHz with a maximum deviation of plus minus 3 dB in output level compared to a flat response with usable frequencies extending down to 55 Hz. The maximum sound pressure level of SONODYNE PM-50V2 is 104 decibels. 2 years warranty will be provided from the date we issue an invoice against the serial number. Class D amplifiers are highly efficient, converting most of the input power into usable output with minimal heat generation. Class D amplifier provides us with low distortion and high dynamics. Now let's learn about the key features of AKG C5, AKG D7 and Soundcraft Signature 10. So as you had seen, we had used the AKG C5 for recording the studio monitors, so you already got to experience it. I have recorded the entire speech of the video from the AKG D7 microphone, so you can judge the quality of the AKG D7 as well. So the price of Soundcraft Signature 10 is Rs 30,000 per unit, and this price is inclusive of GST. You are going to get the premium Soundcraft Ghost microphone preamps. It is the same preamps used in the high-end Soundcraft consoles. These preamps provide ultra-low noise performance, high headroom for dynamic sound, rich detailed audio quality. The mixer includes a 3-band British EQ with a sweepable mid-band on mono channels. This EQ design is inspired by classic Soundcraft consoles, delivering smooth tonal shaping, musical and natural sound correction, precision in adjusting frequencies. The Signature 10 comes with Lexicon digital effects, which are one of industry's best effect processors. It includes reverbs, delays, choruses, and modulation effects. DBX limiters for added dynamic control, tap tempo function for time-based effects. The onboard DBX limiter prevents distortion and clipping by automatically controlling peak levels on input channels. This is especially useful for live sound when handling unpredictable audio sources like singers or instruments. Some channels feature high-Z inputs which allow direct connection of guitars and basses without needing a DI box. This makes the mixer great for singer, songwriters, bands, and solo musicians. The Soundcraft Signature 10 features a high-quality 2-in-2 out USB audio interface that allows for direct recording into a DAW, which means the digital audio workstation, playback of computer audio through the mixer, studio quality sound capture without external interfaces. The Signature 10 provides comprehensive I/O options including 6 mono, mic or line inputs, 2 stereo line inputs, XLR and 1/4-inch TRS main outputs, 2 aux buses for monitor mixes or FX sense. Additionally, the dedicated foot switch jack allows hands-free control of effects, useful for live performers. Both AKG C5 and D7 uses laminated varimotion diaphragm, which is a patented technology of AKG. The varimotion diaphragm is designed with varying thickness across its surface. Thinner sections of the diaphragm improve low frequency response by allowing greater movement. Thicker sections enhance high frequency response by controlling resonance and preventing excessive vibration. Traditional mylar diaphragms can distort at high SPLs due to excessive flexing, but it's not the case with the laminated varimotion diaphragm. The varimotion diaphragm is self-tuning due to its varying thickness, eliminating the need for additional components. The varimotion diaphragm's thicker section helps control resonance, allowing for higher gain before feedback. Now let's talk about the AKG C5 microphone. The price of AKG C5 microphone is Rs 18,000 per unit, and this price is inclusive of GST. The frequency range of the AKG C5 microphone is from 65 Hz to 20 kHz. The frequency of 65 Hz cuts off deep bass frequencies, which helps prevent rumble and handling noise. Reduces proximity effect when singing close to the mic, since most male vocals go down to 85 Hz and female vocals to 165 Hz. This ensures no unnecessary low frequency buildup. Gold-plated capsule is used in the AKG C5 because gold is an excellent electrical conductor, ensuring efficient signal transmission. It does not oxidize or corrode, which ensures long-term stability. It's lightweight yet strong, allowing the diaphragm to vibrate accurately for detailed sound capture. The capsule in the AKG C5 is suspended within the microphone body using a special shock absorbing mount. This isolates the capsule from physical vibrations and handling noise, preventing them from reaching the diaphragm. The design is integrated, meaning the shock absorption is built directly into the microphone structure rather than requiring an external shock mount. Now let's talk about the AKG D7 microphone. The price of AKG D7 is Rs 13,500 per unit, and this price is inclusive of GST. The frequency response of AKG D7 microphone is from 70 Hz to 20 kHz. The integrated high pass filter in the AKG D7 works differently. In the AKG D7, the integrated high pass filter naturally rolls off frequency response below 80 Hz. This reduces stage rumble, handling noise, and excessive bass buildup from proximity effect. And the filter is always on, which means it's always on and cannot be turned off. It works together with the hum compensation coil to remove electromagnetic interference along with low frequency noise. The mechano-pneumatic suspension in the AKG D7 isolates the capsule from mechanical vibrations, since the microphone capsule is mounted on an elastic suspension that physically separates it from the mic body. This absorbs mechanical shocks caused by gripping the mic, moving it, or tapping the stand. So I have attached the picture of Google address, my shop's picture in the video. Raja Electric is my father and uncle's company, while Shivansh Electronics is my company. We operate from this one showroom itself. We are also the distributors for MOTU in the eastern part of India. And we are the distributors for A Plus in West Bengal. Feel free to reach out to me for any future inquiries. My contact number is mentioned in the top right hand corner of the video. My contact number is 9831662458, and my another contact number is 8981807755, and my address is 3 Ramanath Dash Road, Dhakuria, Kolkata 7,31. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is by the name of Shivansh Electronics, and also do follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, which is also by the name of Shivansh Electronics, and Instagram, which is by the name of shivansh.electronics, where we will be uploading short demonstration of our products along with offers on periodic basis. I have attached the links of my social media handles in the description box. Do check them out.